Good morning, guys. It's what's up, you guys? It's Goldux from one which goes back to the quick questions and new things. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So talk to you guys. Hey guys, so today's project is gonna be I'm gonna be painting the board black. So that is what's going on. It's gonna be fun to paint. We just had to get some hooks from the store. So yeah. So talk to you guys when we are painting. So right now, you guys, I'm going back into work. I was done work and then they need me again. So yeah, I'm going back to work. Having some cheesy burgers. Yeah, guys, we're at the park, so that's it. What are you doing? What you doing? So I end this video. I hope you guys show that subscribe. Guys, do give it a big thumbs up. Good night.